Well, what have we got here? Of course you've heard of Mother Goose. Her rhymes we did recite. But here we find her on the loose with stuff she didn't write. Oh. Let's take this rhyme, for example. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep are in the meadow. The cow's in the corn. Of course you're all familiar with this little jingle.
Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old.
9 days old? P.U.
Oh, here's a snappy little number. Jack, be nimble. Jack, be quick. Jack, jump over the candlestick. Oh, you better be careful, Jack, or you'll get burned.
Not me, I'm too quick.
Ow! Oh, that's a new kind of a hot foot. Oh, say, young man, who are you?
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Why, I'm Peter Piper, picked a peck of pickle pepper.
Peter Piper, Peter Piper, pickle pepper. Where's the Peter Piper, pick? Soul American.
Oh, remember little Bo Peep who lost her sheep and... hey, wait a minute, what is this?
Snake eyes.
You know, I lose more sheep that way.
Simple. Simon went a-fishing for to catch a whale. Oh, don't you know you can't catch fish in a bucket?
No.
No.
Oh.
And here are the 3 blind mice. Oh, what a pity they can't see a thing. Or can they? Remember the fun you had playing this little game?
Ring the bell, knock on the door, lift up the latch, and walk in.
Ouch! This is the house that Jack built. This is the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the rat that ate the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the cat that killed the rat that ate the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the dog that worried the cat that killed the rat that ate the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the cow with the crumpled horn that tossed the dog that worried the cat that killed the rat that ate the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the maiden, all forlorn, that milked the cow with crumpled horn that tossed the dog that worried the cat that killed the rat that ate the malt that lay in the house that Jack built. There'll be a slight pause while I untangle my tonsils. Listen, Simple, didn't I just tell you that you can't catch anything in a bucket?
No.
No!
Oh.
This pleasant gent is old King Cole. A merry old soul is he. He called for his pipe.
Where's my pipe?
He called for his bowl.
Where's my bowl?
He called for his fiddler's 3.
Where's my fiddler's 3? Sing a song of 6pence, a pocket full of rye, 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was over, the birds began to sing, da-dee-doo-dee-doo-da-doo-da-da-da.
Yeah!
Georgie, Porgy, puddin' pie, kissed the girls and made them cry.
Oh, boy.
When the girls came out to play, Georgie, Porgy ran away. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating a Christmas pie. put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said,
Yes. Missy things, aren't they?
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Say, my little lamb chop, why are you always following Mary?
Evidently, you haven't seen Mary.
One little, two little, three little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian boy.
Oh, my, here's that jerk. Why don't you give up? You know you can't, bigger. And besides,
Simple Simon proved it.
Oh, hey, Simple, wait for me.